Welcome to today's edition of Crypto Corner at InvestorIdeas.com. News on what's driving the cryptocurrency market. Hey everyone, this is Sam Mowers here. Welcome to episode 843 of the Crypto Corner podcast. For news today, PBIT Systems, BitMining Limited, and Canada Computational have all posted first quarter financial results. But just before we get into the news today, a quick reminder that if you enjoy this podcast, please feel free to share it or leave us a review. And as always, I recommend checking out some of the other podcasts on InvestorIdeas.com. This includes the Cannabis Podcast, the Clean Tech and Climate Change Podcast, along with many others, all of which will bring you up to speed on the latest stock news and trends in their respective spaces. All right, so blockchain-enabled payment processing and point-of-sale systems provider PBIT Systems Corporation, which trades on the CSE under the ticker PBIT, has announced its financial results for the 3 months ended March 31st, 2022. Highlights include $103 million in transactional sales for payment services and a total revenue of $6.4 million. Ryan Hamlin, the CEO and co-founder of PBIT, said, quote, "We continued to onboard new merchants during the first quarter, primarily higher volume stores that, when coupled with anticipated same-store growth from our existing store footprint, reinforces our optimism for another year of exponential growth in 2022. Transactional sales volume began accelerating again towards the end of the first quarter, with March transactional volume representing the largest month in our corporate history, and that trend continued into the second quarter." End quote. BitMining Limited, which trades on the NYSE under the ticker BTCM, has reported its unaudited financial results for the first quarter ended March 31st. Q1 saw revenues of $296.7 million, down quite a lot from the $497.8 million recorded in the fourth quarter of 2021, but still considerably higher than the $2.6 million recorded for the first quarter of 2021 a year ago. Shanfeng Yang, the CEO of BitMining, said, quote, "Over the past quarter, we focused on our expansion in North America and have made significant progress in the construction of our data centers in Ohio. In the meantime, we continued our Bitcoin and Ethereum mining businesses and the integration of other businesses such as mining pool operation and mining machine manufacturing to create synergies. Given our early mover advantage in Ethereum mining, we are also making inroads into proof-of-stake operations by providing a series of services including governance and monitoring, account system, and nodes management. Looking forward, we plan to continue to enhance our value proposition and further strengthen our mining technology." End quote. Canada Computational Unlimited Corp., which trades on the TSXV under the ticker SATO, has also shared its Q1 2022 financial results for the period ending March 31st. Highlights include a total revenue of $1,709,266, as well as $3,857,548 in digital assets held as of the quarter's end. Romain Nouzareth, the company's president and CEO, said, quote, "These results are reflective of the company's dedication to its continued growth and success in responsible mining. CCU's mining power at the Center 1 facility has increased by a 4 times factor compared to Q1 2021 and will reach 8 times that upon completion. We are on track to reaching full capacity, and I am confident that we will continue to deliver shareholder value." End quote. That does it for today's Crypto Corner. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website, and this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products, services, or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss in investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Apple Podcasts, Audible, Spotify, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio, Google Podcasts, and most audio platforms available.